Yo, welcome to the Cooking Journal. Hey, man, I won't even do a video today, but hey, I got hyped up on something. You know what I'm saying? I forgot I had this season I brought from Butcher Brothers that fried chicken in. And so, you know, I couldn't find the stuff I wanted to cook, but then I seen something that caught my eyes. I seen these little riblets. And I don't know if you can get them in y'all town, but it's the end part of the ribs they cut off. And I want to try it in that Butcher Brothers batter, but I want to kind of bump up the season because I taste Butcher Brothers chicken. Need a little bit more season to it, so I'm going to season it up. We're going to fry them up and see how they turn out. And man, and don't forget too, when this video launch, I'm going to launch another old classic video from this channel too, because I'm bringing all my cooking videos over to this channel. You might have seen that one before, but hey, I got a lot of new subscribers that might not have seen it. Hey, y'all rocking with Cooking General. Let's get these here chicken fried pork riblets on Cooking General. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now this is what I'm talking about right here. These are the riblet ends. They just the end parts of the rib. They're real tender. They're real good at barbecuing. And I'm finna get these here trimmed down. I'm gonna trim them a little bit and you know, and wash them off. Get them ready to season them. And what I'm gonna use here, because I had in the other video, because I got a whole pack. I never even opened it. It's the Butcher Brothers. It's the deli breaded, but they use on their chicken. And I read the ingredients. And mostly just say spices, so it don't really tell you exactly what got in it, but I done tasted chicken before, so I want to just kind of prep it up a little bit. So I'm just going to add a few more seasons to it. I'm going to use my Tony's. I'm going to use a little pinch of salt. I'm going to use some black pepper, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to put that off in the flour, and I'm going to coat these here and get me some grease, and we're going to go ahead and fry these up and see how they're going to come out. And you taste the flour, so I would taste mine. Just pinch off and taste it, you know what I'm saying? Add your season, taste it. And once you think it needs a little bit more, don't add no more because season kind of soaks in and cook. So if you say I need a pinch of salt, no, you don't need a pinch of salt. You got it right. You need a pinch of pepper, you got it just right. Yep, that's just a tip. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty, I got them all washed and cleaned off and trimmed up a little bit like I want them. And I started adding all my seasoning to my flour. I'm getting that there mixed up. And like I said, you pinch and taste it, you know, and I got my grease warming up right now. I'm gonna dip these in here and we're gonna fry them. And as you can see, I got them frying up golden brown. And these boogers here are tender, man. They're very tender. And oh, if you're curious, I didn't use peanut oil, I just use regular vegetable oil. They tender already, so they don't really take long to fry. Just give them golden brown and they be ready. Now I'm finna plate them up and we're gonna taste them. So y'all stay tuned. Give them a few more minutes. Cooking General, ask somebody. And as you can see, the front of them, this the back of them. They got the real bones in it. And these here things here, look at that. They're very, very tender. And that's the right amount of season now. Taste your seasoning and flour. Man, it's pretty good. That concludes this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. There we go, man. Hey, man, I told you they gonna come out. It was golden brown. It needed a little boost. They was good. They was tender. Man, I don't know if you can get those riblets in your town, but man, you need to try them out. And try them on a barbecue pit too. They are very good on the barbecue pit, man. Hey, man, Cooking General got a lot more stuff because I couldn't get the stuff I really wanted to cook today. So, and they just told me go ahead and throw this video on there, you know what I'm saying? You want to try, you can try, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty good. That Butcher Brothers battle pretty good, you know. Man, hey, and don't forget, it's going to be a classic video following this one here. So it should be uploaded by the time you watch this one. Man, Cooking General.